Hello students, this is Sajid from Guruji, and in this video I'm going to give you an idea about IIST. And if you are an aspirant of IIST, that means you are planning to write in 2026 an exam. Okay, what exam I'll tell you, and if you write that examination, whether you will be able to get into IIST. In case you are planning Indian Institute of Science Technology admissions, watch this video, you will get the whole idea. Okay, so a complete guide for aspiring space engineers. Okay, a complete guide for aspiring space engineers. Guruji is from 2012, and our contact numbers are here. In case you need more information, you can always call us. We will be able to help you. Okay. About IIST, it is an ISRO established premier institute for space science and engineering. Okay, for space science and engineering. Location is at Thiruvananthapuram, okay, in Kerala. Location is at this particular space, okay. Next, IIST highlights, okay, direct ISRO linkage, okay. We have already seen the previous slide. It is established by ISRO, so as direct linkage to ISRO, cutting edge space programs, okay, satellite design labs, allied learning environment, okay. What not a student or what more a student need. Alright. Okay. Next is the next one. Program offered. What are the program is offered is BTech Aerospace Engineering and BTech Avionics and dual degree engineering in physics and space science. Okay. So there are many students, like when I'm teaching class 6 to class 12 standard, I'm teaching many students used to ask me, sir, for space engineering, what is the scope? Or for space science, what is the scope? Where they have to study? For all of them, this is one slide which you need to look into detail. Okay, so look at this: BTech Aerospace Engineering, BTech Avionics, and dual degree engineering, physics and space science. Okay, admission pathway. Okay, how you can get it? Okay, yes, we have JEE Main. Okay, you need to write JEE Main, and then you need to write a JEE Advanced. Okay, then IIST applications, okay, then IIT application, then counseling, and then admission. So look at the procedure: JEE Main, JEE Advanced, IIST application, counseling, and admissions. Okay, so we understood now JEE Mains and JEE Advanced is the examination for getting into IIST. Next is important dates tentatively for JEE Advanced. Okay, we know that JEE Mains for 2026 the application to start anytime from today or tomorrow or by this month, and as per the announcement from NTA before October end. Okay, they are going to give you the dates. So JEE Advanced is expected in June 2026. IIST application is May 2026. Last date is June 2026, and allotment is in June to July, and July to August will be your reporting. Alright, joining or reporting. I hope you understand. This is my tentative idea, because previous year this was into this stream, so this is my tentative idea. Okay, now what is next? Eligibility. Okay, look at that: Indian citizen, born on or after 1st October 2001, and 75%. This is very important. 75% from a board. You could be any board, whether it is state board or CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, IB. Could be any board, and Indian citizen born on after 2001. But there should be a 75%. Look at this criteria is very important, because 75% board. Okay, from the 12th board you need to have 75%, and PCM you should have actually either Biomax. Okay, that is PCMB or PCM, but PCM is must taken as consideration. Must qualify JEE Advanced. Okay, this is very JEE Mains qualified is not sufficient. You must qualify JEE Advanced. Okay. Now look at the next one, like expected cutoff. Okay, this I have taken from some reference. Okay, it's told general 6 per subject and 72 overall. Okay, OBC, EWS 5 and 65, SC/ST 3 and 36. What is this 6? Okay, 6 means like you need to have physics 6 mark, chemistry 6 mark, and maths 6 mark. Okay, and aggregate overall it is told about 72. Which means what is here? Okay, what is here is that we know that JEE Advanced is conducted on a particular day, morning and afternoon shift. That means a student need to write morning shift also, afternoon shift also. So if you look at it, morning shift, minimum in physics you need to score 6 mark, minimum in chemistry you need to score 6 mark, minimum in maths you need to score 6 mark. The same criteria in the afternoon also, minimum 6 chemistry, minimum 6 physics, minimum 6 in mathematics, and overall should reach to 72%, 72 mark at least. Okay, you understood now what is this actually? Alright, so more information if you need, ask in the comment section, I'll be able to help you. Alright, so next, JEE Advanced marking scheme. Of course we understood like what exactly it is, so but as far as 2025 concerned, like how marking scheme has gone. Okay, multiple correct options. MCQs are plus 4 mark, like JEE mains. MCQs are plus 4 mark if correct options are selected. Partial mark 3, 2, 1. Okay, if partially correct. Oh, look at this. If partially correct, 3, 2, 1 are there. Okay. And -2 for incorrect answers. Which segment? MCQ segment plus 4 segment -2. Even if it is partially correct, you get 3, 2, 1 mark. But if it totally correct, -2 mark. Okay. Numerical answer type questions plus 4 mark for correct answer, no negative marking. Okay. No negative marking. The minimum cutoff mark for IIST admissions mean you must score at least 6 mark in each subject, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and 72 marks aggregate, okay, for general category, and rest of the categories are like. This could mean, what is mean? For example, correctly answering at least 2 single correct MCQs, each 3 marks, or 1 multiple, okay, correct MCQ question fully correct. Okay, now you don't have to exactly, look at this point, you don't have to exactly 6 questions correct. The total marks awarded matters. Okay, considering partial credit and numerical questions. Understood this point? You don't have to exactly 6 questions correct. The total marks awarded matters considering partial credit and numerical questions. So the 6 marks minimum per subject cutoff is based on the marks. Note the count of strictly correct answers multiplied by fixed mark per question. Okay, so you understood this point. So if you, but it's important that physics 6, chemistry 6, maths 6 minimum you are scoring. Okay, so look at this, and if you want, you can take a screenshot of this slide and read it and understand. In case you have any doubts, you can always comment in the comment box when I am uploading this video. There will be a comment box in the YouTube, and you can comment. You can ask me more questions about this. I'll be able to help you. Okay, so next thing is JEE Advanced structure. As I told you, 2 papers, 3 hours each, MCQs, MSQ and numericals. Okay, MCQs, MSQ, so multiple answers. Okay, multiple answers are correct. MSQ segment is what? Multiple answers are correct, and negative and partial marking. Okay, partial marking is not with JEE mains, but in the JEE Advanced partial marking is given. IIST application steps. Visit admissions at iist.ac.in. Fill details plus JEE info, upload documents, submit preferences, participate in counseling. Yes, you have to attend the counseling also. Okay, required documents. JEE Advanced scorecard. After completing the JEE Advanced, its scorecard, 10th and 12th mark sheets, CAST, EWS, PWD, physically challenged means that certificates. If applicable, photo ID. Okay, which is already taken because in the JEE application we do all these applications, process, and we upload all these things. So you can directly it is also taken to JEE Advanced. In case JEE mains qualified and writing JEE Advanced, it is taken directly. Only you have to pay the JEE Advanced fees, and then you have to sit for the JEE Advanced. Okay, so this is already available. Because this will be available with us because when we apply for JEE mains, it is already settled. Now next is smart strategy to crack IIST. Strong JEE Advanced preparation, daily practice and mocks, error analysis, revise formulas and concepts. So when you are preparing for JEE mains itself, okay, we always say JEE mains is conducted by CBSE through NTA, but if you look at it, JEE Advanced is direct paper from IITs. Alright, so if you look at it, JEE mains to Advanced, like we know that all the students who are preparing for JEE mains, they understand what is the kind of questions asked in JEE mains, and if the questions level is slightly changed or tricky and analytical areas are increased, okay, or difficulty level is increased, how JEE Advanced question goes. So there are separate batches with Guruji for JEE Advanced. After JEE Mains, we conduct JEE Advanced training specially. So in case you are interested, you can always approach us. So we'll be able to help you for JEE Advanced training, especially you are a student aspirant of IIST. Okay. Now, why choose Guruji? So this is something which we talk about, like last 2012 onwards. What we are. So this is our center, Guruji Center at Sharanamati. We do also have online batches. Okay, so hope you got some idea about IIST now. IIST 2026 admission procedure I have told you here, and why you need to look into IIST, that you need to decide, because it is your decision, because whether you want to be a space engineer, space scientist, or you are going for physics or maths related, some more researchers, space related researchers, then it is up to you. And if you wanted more information about IIST or eligibility criteria, or how to score JEE Advanced, okay, and what you need to score JEE Mains so that you can comfortably write JEE Advanced, etc. query, I'll be able to help you, because we are doing this since 2012, and we have many students, and we have students at IIST after studies, after study at IIST completed and working at ISRO Trivandrum, we have students. So I can get some references also in case you need. Alright. So hope this information is useful to you. Pass this information to all the needies. Thank you so much from Guruji.